Tent, bike, cemetery. It's perfect. Perfect. Ciao, welcome. This is a little different video about what's happening in Turkey. I have some good news and some bad news, and also I want to share my plans of my journey and little plans for this channel for the next month. I have some good news. I have some bad news. Actually, I don't have good news. We'll see. Maybe there are some good news. The good news, I left Istanbul. That's for sure a good news. And at the moment, I'm doing the Sufi trail. I did it in 2019. I already published some videos. But in 2019, I think I did mostly the biking route. The Sufi trail has a biking route and a hiking route. This time I'm sticking to the hiking route. It's a little bit more challenging. I had like a couple of bits and pieces that I had to cut because they were too challenging with the bicycle. But it's 99.99% I did the hiking route. Okay, so plans. Where I'm going now is I was going to Iran, but the recent events made me change a little bit my plans, also because you're probably aware now that also like a bike traveler has been arrested. Obviously there were loads of spies in Iran, so now any foreign could be targeted as arrested as a spy, and so it's a pity because it's a beautiful country. I have many contacts. I actually have like some supplies in Tehran that I had organized, things for the winter, and replacing things, you know, like lubes and spare parts and things like that. So it's a pity for me not be able to go there. So now I'm heading to Iraq, and from Iraq I will start a journey in the Middle East. I will do Iraq, maybe Syria, Jordan, Saudi, Oman, then we will see. The challenge that I have a few challenges at the moment. First of all, I'm in chronic pain day and night with my back, but I'm getting help of a chiropractor slash physiotherapy slash physical therapist in Istanbul. Obviously, it's a remote thing. He can give me some exercises to do, and hopefully in the next few days I will be a little better. So that's the first challenge. The second challenge is I have to go very quickly because my Turkish visa is gonna run out soon. And third challenge, I don't have a visa for Iraq. I still don't have a visa for Iraq. I will try to get one, but it's a hit or miss for bike travelers. It's a hit or miss. I will try to pay an agency to secure my visa, but there might be a chance that I don't get a visa for Iraq, federal Iraq anyway, because the borders with the Turkey of Iraq, it's an autonomous region. It's the Kurdish autonomous region, and you can get visa on arrival for 30 days in the Kurdish region, but you're not allowed to go to federal Iraq. So if I don't get a visa, then I will probably have to cross Syria from entering Syria from the Kurdish Iraq. But we will see. That's the plan. So I have to go very fast, and in Turkey it's not like Morocco that you stop in a cafe in the middle of nowhere and they have Wi-Fi. So it's been a challenge for me to do any work with social media and things like that, because I left Istanbul that I was not fit, so that's and I'm very slow and I have to go very fast. I already lost about 4 kilos, because I lost, I put on too many kilos in Istanbul. And so the plan for this channel is to take a break during the month of August. In August, nobody watched the channels anyway, so I will pause the uploads for the month of August, and at some point I will be in Iraq, and I can travel a little bit more slowly and stop in places and edit videos. Unfortunately, publishing a video on YouTube requires at least a day and a half of work between editing, rendering, uploading, thumbnail, titles, description, subtitles in so many languages. So it requires me to slow down to be able to be consistent. And if I pause the uploads and take a vacation during August, it will give me a better chance to be consistent from then on to publish one video a week. So that's the plan. In August, most people go on vacation anyway, and the views on the channel are way down, so I don't think it's too disruptive. So yeah, this is a quick video with my plans, my situation. I could have gone to Georgia, Armenia, and the original idea was to go to Georgia, Armenia, and then enter Iran, and from there go to Iraq. Because of the situation, I decided to go directly to Iraq. I know most bike travelers decide to fly somewhere. I will try to wait a little bit and do this loop in the Middle East, and hopefully things settle down by the time I can get a ferry from the Arabic Peninsula to Iran. Otherwise, I will also have to fly somewhere. I don't know. There's no many options open at the moment to get to Central Asia. But yeah, the plan now is to go to Iraq, secure a visa of Iraq, and if not, I will cross Syria. So thank you very much, everybody that follows my journey, that you support my journey. I received a few donations recently, some generous donations, and I'm always very grateful. I will try to get back to you guys. I will try to arrange some postcards to be shipped to people that did the donations. I arrange a batch of postcards with someone to go back to Spain. So when my friend arrived to Spain, I will ask to post the postcards. So meanwhile, maybe I can write a hand note and post it to Spain, but I think the postcards will leave from Spain. It's the safest bet. Even though last year I sent a lot of postcards from Barcelona and very few people received it. So hopefully people don't think I didn't post them. Yeah, this was a quick announcement video, and hopefully I'll see you at the beginning of September with some exciting videos from the Sufi Trail and from the Middle East going forward. Thank you very much again for the support. Ciao.